couple of things I reflect on as I walked with these students to various courts. We were in Judge Miro's court for a calendar call. We went over to state court and saw a little bit of jury selection. Then we were in magistrate court for some dispossessories. And our court operates a little differently in Atlanta. We aren't in court very much, and when we do, as we were yesterday, lawyers come in and out for very quick times, and we ask questions and then they move on. So one thing you realize, and I think all these kids realized, is real court, the kind of court that happens at the trial level, is pretty slow. Things move slowly, and that's for a reason. It's for the reason of making sure that everyone's rights are protected, that the process works. A lot of what Judge Miro was doing was making sure people had lawyers and that people knew what they were doing when they were deciding whether they wanted to plead guilty and accept the consequences of that, or plead not guilty and exercise their right to trial. And we kind of sometimes stop thinking about how important those little things are to making our system work. A great reminder of jury selection is, and a remarkable part of our separation of powers, is we are one of the few countries in the world where you don't have to be elected or appointed to actually exercise the great power of the government. When you serve on a jury, you're a regular citizen, you get picked on that jury, and you're the one who gets to decide whether the power of the state will be exercised to lock somebody up, maybe for their life, or execute them, or whether they get to walk free. And it doesn't matter if the judge doesn't like that result, it doesn't matter if the president doesn't like that result, it doesn't matter if Congress doesn't like that result, or the General Assembly, the Supreme Court of Georgia, or the governor. That jury of regular people, for that day, for that trial, is the government exercising the awesome power of government. And that's a fundamental thing. We have more jury trials in this country than they have in the rest of the world combined.